inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Straight on until morning. The ninth wonder of the universe! The wild dirty flying elephant! Jumbo! Look! Rickety! They're flying! They're flying! Wait till we get to the big town! You, and I love you.
Dante, you are a real spirit guide. Who's a good spirit guy? You are!
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's no home. It's a space station.
All wings report in. Good 5 standing by.
Coming in, point 3.
Watch that crossfire, boys.
1-6, you've got one on your tail.
I have you now.
Come in, primary ignition.
Use the Force, Luke. The Force is strong to this one.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
The Force will be with you. Almost.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Baymax, wings. Thrusters. makes me a better healthcare companion.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Starlight.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
Come on, Drac. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy. Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity and beyond.
There's a place beyond the sky where your stories come alive, and with a leap of faith, you might find your spirit guide. A whole new world, no fun, where new beginnings never get old. You can light the way that seems impossible. If you're feeling small, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Let's go right where you wanna be, where the magic feels like home, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to a place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you go with dreams that soar. Use the thunder in your heart to prepare for the dark, because the path to take ends far from where you start. When it's time to spread your wings, you'll see that everything's in reach. You can change the world if you just believe. If you're feeling small, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Right where you wanna be, where the magic feels like melody, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you go. With dreams that soar.
There's no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.
Friends, thank you for joining us for this exclusive preview of Disney Dreams That Soar. As you continue to be the magic makers for our guests, don't forget about your own dreams and be inspired